Hello, today, let us explore Tablelands in Gros Morne National Park in Newfoundland, Canada. It took over 400 million years of erosion for these towering mountains to become what we see today. A surreal orange landscape devoid of vegetation, the deep soul of Earth. We have taken scenic highway 431 connecting Woody Point and Trout River to visit Tablelands and the trail around. The Tablelands Trail is a 4 kilometers trail that follows an old road around the base of mountains. The trail ends at the glacially carved Winterhouse Creek Ravine. Earth's mantle is a layer normally buried deep beneath the Earth's crust. Enjoy the view of Earth's mantle in this video. We had the opportunity to do a guided tour with Parks Canada employee. She is great at explaining the significance and history behind the Tablelands formation. You will discover unusual plants and rocks while enjoying panoramic views of Tablelands. Tablelands have global importance. The rocks of Gros Morne National Park contain some of the world's best records of plate tectonics. These are textbook examples of Earth-shaping processes and events. When two continents collided 460 million years ago, the Tablelands and associated seafloor rocks were pushed onto continental crust as the Appalachian Mountains started to form. These are igneous rocks called peridotite, dense with iron, magnesium, nickel, cobalt, and chromium. This rock is poisonous to many plants. They quickly turn rusty brown and crumbles on exposure to air and water.
Gray wool moss. Gray wool moss is one of our exceptional creatures here on the Tablelands. He is called a hyperaccumulator. He can do some nifty stuff. So, does anybody notice how dry the ground is? Yeah, it's not great for plants, right? Plants like moisture. Well, because he can't get moisture the normal way, he's got an adaptation. I'm sure some of you seen me take a drink from my water bottle. That's all it is water. This is healthy gray wool moss. Watch what happens when I give him a drink. He's not gray anymore. He's green. So, our gray wool moss is a specialist. When he gets a chance to get some water, he's going to make the most of it. So, when I give him a drink, he sucks that water in super quick, down into himself like a sponge.
As we continued, we have started to see a small stream from top to the base of Tablelands. For a plant, living here is like growing in a polluted junkyard. Serpentine soil is full of toxic metals and it contains almost no nutrients, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium, and very little calcium. In most of the Tablelands area, no real soil has built up since the last major glaciation ended about 10,000 years ago. Even of worse, winds are strong enough to prune trees, and ice crystals churn plant roots out of the soil each spring and fall. Finally, we reached the spot where the trail ends. It looks so beautiful and the guide has provided enough information through the walk, adjusting our viewpoints on the way. Haha. To recognize its international geological importance and exceptional natural beauty, UNESCO declared Gros Morne National Park a World Heritage Site in year 1987. Rocks throughout the park reveal ancient stories of the evolution of our planet, and today's landscape displays the more recent effects of glaciation. Thank you for watching.